Hello everyone, so welcome to the second video of this matplotlib. Okay, so we have here one very small program based on this matplotlib. But before we start, one thing which I would like to add over here is most of the matplotlib utilities lies under the pyplot submodule. So there is one submodule which is inside of this matplotlib, and most of utilities lies under this submodules only. And normally when we import this matplotlib.pyplot, then we write as plt, like normal situation we write like this only. Okay, and then we obviously like import numpy as what, np. So we are importing two library, or you can say that two modules in our program. Okay, now basically, as I said, obviously why we require numpy, because you all can see your np.array, that concept we are going to use. Okay, and we have two variables, one is xpoints and then second one is the ypoints. Okay, so np.array, and we are writing 0, 6, and then this, what you can say, ypoints equal to np.array, and we are writing 0, 250. But the actual meaning of this is nothing but this both are x coordinate points and this both are y coordinates points, because mathematically, okay, mathematically when we write any value inside the round bracket, it is like x1 y1 we write. So see, this is actually x1 and this is y1. So in comment section only I will write. And suppose one more, then this is actually x2 and this is y2. So 6, 250. But while writing this in program form, we have to collect actually all the x points, and we have to collect all the y points. Then we have a plt, that is this one only, because of this import matplotlib dot. Otherwise, we have to write this full name. Okay, that's why we are writing plt, and dot we are writing plot function. Okay, so later on, once we're done with the output, we'll tell you the meaning of this plot function in detail properly. Plot function, that is nothing but we are interested in plotting the graph. Okay, that x point comma y points, and then plt dot show function. So let's check the output of at least this program first of all. See, we are getting x-axis from 0 to 6, and we are getting y-axis from 0 to 250, and you all can see line is for 0, 0, and then 6, 250. See, the line is created. Okay, so now what is the meaning of this plotting x and y points? First we will focus on that part actually. Okay, so here you all can see plot function is there. Okay, the plot function is used to draw the points which is given in the diagram, like just now only we checked. Okay, so by default, plot function by default, okay, it will draw a line from one point to another point, but that is the default. And obviously it takes some parameter. Obviously here also you all can see plot, and some parameters are there. So parameter 1, okay, we will focus, or we will talk about this. Parameter 1 is nothing but the array which contains points on the x-axis. Parameter 2, that means again it is an array only which contains points on the y-axis. Suppose like if I change the value, okay, suppose if I write over here in the comment section 1, 3, 2, and then if I write 8, 10. Suppose we are interested in plotting the line from 1, 3 to 8, 10. Okay, so obviously here this will be 1. Okay, and this will be actually 3, because it is x1 y1, and this will be 8, and this will be what, 10. Okay, and then obviously control S and F5. See, it is 1 and 3, so 1, 3, 1 point, and then 8 and 10, this will be second point, and as I said, by default it will draw what, line. Thank you everyone. And one more thing before I end this, you all can see here on the at the bottom right hand side over here, when I'm moving my mouse, you all can see x equal to and y equal to values also. See, okay, so thank you everyone.